appearance to the Nigerian court today?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching us from. I remember my humble self, that biafra evangelist, Benjamin Johnson, and I am here to tell you the truth based on the fact that for a very long time, the Nigerian government, Federal Republic of Nigeria, has failed to produce a judge to handle Nnamdi Kanu case after the exit of Nyenta Mbiako. You know, after she surrendered, Nigeria did not have any other judge to handle or to continue the case. But it's quite fortunate now after Nnamdi Kanu lawyers, sue Federal Republic of Nigeria for not being able to appoint somebody to, to handle his case, to continue. Now, finally, it is a surprise even to me that is speaking to you now that the other day a call came that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, will be appearing in court today. You know, and he himself, he made a suggestion to federal government that since nobody want to try him in Abuja, they should transfer the case back to the east. You understand? And appoint a judge to handle the case. Probably that is what makes federal government now to a kind of binta, you that started it or you're finishing. And two, another thought again is it's like there is something fishing on the ground, underground at the backyard, that we did not know. But from today we will now know what makes Inyako in the first place withdraw herself.
And coming back,
And what gives her the impetus of, the confidence of coming back again. Then what is her mission now? What is her mission now? What is she now coming out this time around with? So that is the angle we are waiting for to see. Kanu said that nobody should plead or beg on his behalf because he never commits any crime. And which is right. He knows it's right. Kanu has never committed anything. Look at what recently played. You understand, in Ebonyi State and Ejo Asaba. You find out that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the man you call a terrorist, is in your custody. Killings continue. Simon Ekpan still being detained. Killings still continue. Who are the people behind this thing? That means Nigeria is accusing wrong people. Those people are not what Nigeria have tagged them to be. So today, we look forward to see what we play in the court in the regard of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu urgent call to appear. So we will hear it today now. We will now see, we will hear, we will see, we know where they are headed to. And for their information, Kanu have already won an issue that no further case again, rather than the one that is already on the ground. And according to the Federal High Court matter in Nigeria, their law says, according to Section 45, that where a person commits a crime, according to Nigeria Constitution, where a person commits a crime, that is where the place where the person will be tried. So there is a need and a necessity of them moving the matter out of Abuja down to East because he has never come to West here to do any campaign pertaining to Biafra. Neither has he traveled to North for anything called Biafra. He remained in the East, in his father's land, in his motherland, in his own base, in his own place, as a person of that place who have the right to fight for his right in his place. You understand? So the case should be taken there according to the constitution, according to the law too. You understand? Because the law says so. So they should take him there and they let him go there and defend himself.
Talking about Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has led to, a world order from the federal government to shut down the entire eastern part of the country.
Yes, to shut both school, all the government prosecutors, their offices is going to shut down from 13th of this month. from 13th of this month down to further notice. And there's a saying again that when the thing is over, or the school students should resume. You understand? So I don't know. This is yeah, I saw it too. I saw it too. You understand me? So and their point is that they want to fish out and they want to defend their father's land, their mother's land. They want to sanitize that place because what happened on Sunday being second of this February, that it is in fact that is outrageous. So and now people are pointing against IPOB, pointing hand. Look at the governor himself now defending the Fulanis, now putting the blame on IPOB. You see again now. So they now want to actually come out. That is why they want every citizen dwelling in Biafra land stay away from these people so that we are coming to sanitize our place.
Will you be surprised that Nnamdi Kanu is being ordered today to fulfill bail conditions?
Probably. He's a man with no concrete allegation. A man with no confirmed accusation. A man with, and listening to him the other day, you know what he said? He said he counted 9 charges that Nigeria used against him. And he made them to understand that they don't have right to treat that case here. That if they should treat the case, the order must come from the British government. Or rather, they should refer him back to the Britain where he committed the crime so that the British government should as well try him over there. And they come in again, Nigeria throw it away and come up with another thing. Are you not seeing it? There's a state of confusion in Nigeria.
They have tried all possible to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu
They near him,
but
they failed.
They are finding it difficult.
They failed. So as it stands now, I don't know, like I've earlier said, it is today we will now know what they are up to.
Okay, finally, do you foresee the Israeli government and American government sending troops or sending rescue team, because it has gotten to the point that they have known that the release of Nnamdi Kanu is not even according to law. There is so many things behind it, and they will likely want to break the jinx.
There is something I have said, maybe for benefit of those that have been watching me. Probably it may not be on this TV, on this channel, but I remember vividly I have pointed out some things. Somebody asked me, what if Nigeria refused to free Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or to let Biafra to go? I said there are people who have the right and the power, even when the president of the country refused to sign it, by fire, by force, if without his signature, Biafra will still go. Are you getting it? So in this case now, Netanyahu and Donald Trump, it is no longer a news to them. It is something that is now official before their eyes. Okay? So if there is any means of them coming to react, I don't see anything wrong, because they go to UN. I think the UN have given some information of releasing warnings to Nigeria twice, and up to date, nothing has happened. You understand? So if there is any action coming from that angle, I don't think there is a need of them being blamed.
Okay, we've seen Iwanyawo's son. Almost everybody is calling for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's release. What does that portend to the Biafran agitation?
This is an angle we are going. It is a spirit. Those that did not agree on the Mazen Nnamdi Kanu point of view, those that did not see what he saw, they are coming to see it in their clear eyes. Sometimes when some histories are being told, it becomes just ordinary in mere talk. But when you witness it, you will know how severe it is. So they are now a kind of seeing one or two things. So if they take now compel them to believe on the vision of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. even though they themselves may not have the strength or the capacity or the ability or what it takes to be as strong or as fit as Mazen Nnamdi to stand. But this is the little contribution they can contribute to make sure that where we are going, we achieve.
How would you describe Mazen Nnamdi Kanu?
He's a hero that has defeated so many heroes. It's a hero that cannot be compared anywhere in the world. As he stands now, and I've not seen a hero to compare him.
As,
Somebody that did you know that they forced him to sign a document, he refused. He preferred to be tortured than signing that document. And you know what that is? Had it been that he made that mistake to sign that document, that would be the end of Biafra. That would have been the end of Biafra. But being a smart man, a man of principles and integrity, a man of culture and discipline, and a man that is determined, even if I will not forget his quote. He said, the suffering of my people will end in me, and I will be the end of Nigeria. And Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is a man that all that he has said before now, Nigerians, many Nigerians, all Nigerians, except those who doesn't want to embrace the truth because the prophecy comes from the angle of Igbo man, person of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. All that he said has come to pass. He told you people nothing anybody can do. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is becoming the next president, and it came to pass that Fulani Muhammadu Buhari is coming to officially Islamize Nigeria, and the herdsmen will take over and pay you. They will come and kill people. They will come after you. They will kill you because their intention was to do what? Islamize everybody. Is it not happening? Tell me what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said that you have not really witnessed. Tell me one.
what do you expect today if Nnamdi Kanu is suddenly released? Are you going to see how can Biafrans control the joy and the crowd?
Definitely, that is what we have been looking up to. That is what we have been crying for. That is what we have been clamoring for. And that is what we have been expecting because he's a man that commits no sin. If you commit no sin, you don't need to beg for forgiveness. And that is why he him now say that nobody should plead for forgiveness or for mercy or whatsoever as others are coming. He said nobody should plead for him because he commit no sin.
Is that not a deep spirit? People are surprised.
Excuse me, this is a man that have determined. You see this thing, I will get it. And there is something he said which many people didn't take it serious. He said that God would send him. He didn't just come out to start. You understand? He has been there for many years. Till the actual date, mandate was given to him by God. It was a divine assignment. And funny enough, any man on earth who do not know or discover his purpose on earth will end up a failure. No matter what you think you are acquired. So far you do not fulfill that purpose by which God sent you, you are a failure.
Thank you.